Take a look at the slow-motion photography to see how they fly. These scientists will tell stories about. After hatching, this macaw prepares for its first flight. Began together to preserve a new rainforest for many years to come. Like the playful otter and the intelligent
Covering about 4.5 million acres, it's the largest and most undisturbed tropical rainforest in the world. Here, more in Peru, along the base of the Andes Mountains, lies the Manu Biosphere Reserve.
Amphibians, India, Southeast Asia, Indonesia, and various islands. The tropical rainforest biome covers less than 10% of the Earth's surface, and yet there are a great number of species of birds.
Many different animals make their home here.
A number of species of primates thrive in the rainforest of Africa.
I know a place that gets lots of rain. The rainforest.
That's right. And tamarins live in the middle of the rainforest, where there are plenty of branches to swing on and plenty of leaves to eat. Insects and other small animals live at the bottom of the rainforest.